T-Mobile offers unlimited data plans, but understanding high-speed and hotspot data is crucial. Your plan includes high-speed data for phone usage. After 22 to 100 gigabytes, depending on your plan, speeds are reduced through deprioritization. Separately, hotspot data allows you to share your connection. For example, Magenta plans offer 10 gigabytes of dedicated hotspot data. Monitor both balances to avoid unexpected slowdowns or fees. T-Mobile focuses on transparency after the 2020 merger to prevent bill shock. The most popular way to check your T-Mobile data balance is through the My T-Mobile app, available for iOS and Android devices. Preferred by 60% of users, the app provides real-time usage graphs and detailed breakdowns of your high-speed and hotspot data. For quick checks on the go, you can text BAL or data to 6868. You'll receive an instant reply with your current data balances for both high-speed and hotspot usage. Alternatively, you can log into your account on the tmobile.com website. This gives you access to detailed usage reports and the ability to manage your account settings. For manual checks or if you need assistance, call 611 to reach T-Mobile customer service. A representative can provide your current data balances and help with any account questions. Looking ahead, T-Mobile is integrating AI tools. By Q1 2026, expect a chatbot for voice-activated balance checks. The My T-Mobile app already uses machine learning to estimate data usage and predict when you'll reach your limits, helping prevent overages. T-Mobile also provides alerts when you're nearing your data limits. Keep an eye out for these notifications to avoid unexpected charges.